Happy Valentine's Day. Today is the day that I draw the winners in the 5 quilt giveaway. It's so exciting. Here I have a list of email addresses and names of everyone that entered into the quilt giveaway. We ended up with 382 valid entries. You can see here that each quilt is marked with a number 1 through 5. And in here I have 1 through 5 numbers to match those numbers. After I call the name, I'm going to draw a number out of here. And that will tell me which quilt that person won. Got it? Okay. This is how I'm going to actually draw the name. I have each and every one of those 382 names numbered on my sheet from 1 to 382. I'm going to ask Siri to give me a random number between 1 and 382. And I'm going to do that 5 different times. And after I draw each name, I will then draw the number here to see which quilt that person won. Got it? Enough talking already. Let's get busy seeing who won. Whew. Are you ready? I totally don't want to mess this up. Hey Siri.
Yes?
Can you please give me a random number between 1 and 382?
A random number between 1 and 382 is 111.
Thank you. 111, let's see. Elizabeth Peterson. Yay. All right, Elizabeth, let's see which quilt you won. Elizabeth Peterson just won quilt number 4, which is So Becca's quilt right here. Yes, good for you. I'm sorry, that was Patterson, not Peterson. I was so excited I didn't do my vowels right. So it's Patterson. Elizabeth Patterson just won quilt number 4. And just mark on here which quilt. So I know which one to send you, Elizabeth, and I'll be emailing you here soon. Hey Siri. Give me a number between 1 and 382.
A random number between 1 and 382 is 37.
Number 37. Let's see who that is. Number 37 on my list is Carol B. And she goes by Conservative Carol. Yay, Carol! So Carol, let me draw a number out of here and see which quilt that you just won. Oh my word, this is like too much. I'm so excited for you all. Let's see, I won't even look. Let me see, I'll put it to you. Which number did she win, guys? She won quilt number 3, yay! And quilt number 3 is from Sew the Distance, Chris O'Neill. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm dropping everything. Okay, 2 quilts down. Congratulations, Carol. Now we're on to our 3rd winner of the quilt giveaway. Hey Siri, please draw me a random number from 1 to 382.
A random number between 1 and 382 is 24.
24. 24. 24 is Beverly Davis. Yay, Beverly! All right, Bev, let's draw from our cup and see which quilt that you just won. I'll let you all see first. Which quilt did she win? Which quilt? She won number 5. She won my quilt. Beverly. Yay, Beverly. You just won my quilt. Yay. Woo. Oh my goodness. This is so much crazy fun. Let me put which quilt that you just won so I know which one to send. Okay. So we've got 3 down and 2 more to go. On to winner number 4. Hey Siri. Can you please pick a random number between 1 and 382?
A random number between 1 and 382 is 151.
151. Thank you. I wonder who it is. Oh my word. Number 151. The next quilt winner is Jennifer Foster. And she spells her name with 2 F's, evidently. Jennifer, congratulations. We're about to see which quilt you just won. All right, let's see. Jennifer. Which one did she win? She won number 1. She won the So Yeah quilt. Good for you. Congratulations, Jennifer. Now, this last one right here should be a number 2. So let's take a look. And it is. It goes with April Story's quilt, which we are drawing for next. Hey, Siri.
I'm here.
Can you please pick me a random number between 1 and 382?
A random number between 1 and 382 is 188.
188. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. This is crazy because I don't want to get anything wrong. That's why I'm looking very thoroughly at what I'm looking at and with the number. Number 188 on my sheet is Kathy Stewart. Yay! Congratulations, Kathy. You just won April Story's beautiful quilt. Congratulations. Whew. It's done. I was so nervous because I just didn't want to get one thing wrong. I wanted to double check, recheck, make sure I was reading everything right, because this is serious business, these giveaways. Congratulations to all of the 5 winners. Be sure to check your emails because I will be emailing you today. And remember, you have 3 days to respond. If you don't respond, then I will draw another name. But I have a feeling that all 5 of these, they'll definitely respond. Again, I really do want to thank everyone that donated a quilt. So Yeah Quilting, April Story, Sew the Distance, Sew Becca, and the sewing channel. I'm going to thank myself. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I could. I don't know. This was a ton of fun. I hope you had fun too. I hope you have a special Valentine's Day. Until next time on the Sewing Channel, take care.